If you've been following me for a while, you know that my ICU has hair supplies in order to be able to do our ICU patients' hair. The hospital doesn't really stock good stuff in order to be able to like do braids and like brush through mats. And our sweet unit secretary, who is amazing, has been stocking all of this hair stuff on her own. And so we are getting low on supplies, and I said, hey, why don't you let me restock it this time? So I thought we could go together.
Mom, what were you here for?
We're getting some hair stuff for the people that I take care of at work. Okay, I think this will be good. Okay, I got 2 big bags of brushes, hair ties, conditioner, and stuff. And so hopefully this lasts us for a little bit. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.